Hello, I'm Yorgo Likuria. I'm the founder and creative director of Rainlight. And today we're introducing our most recent project for Scavallini called Box Life. Box Life is a fully adaptable concept for micro-living. When Scavallini approached us to design a micro-kitchen, what we discovered was that the micro-kitchen wasn't the only problem in a small apartment. So we looked at designing the entire apartment. And that's how Box Life came to be. I felt that it was really important that we use design to create a solution for the small dwelling that made it more effective, more pleasant, more beautiful. The idea is effectively taking a certain amount of space and transforming it to become the kitchen, to becoming an office, a bedroom, a dining room, a place where you can have a party. And so you're able to use your apartment in the same way that you use a smartphone. The idea of the smartphone that organizes your life and time, your communications. Box Life is organizing your living space in much the same way.